Welcome to the first lecture in Principles of Programming Languages. In this playlist, we will cover everything required to clear your semester examination. So, let's begin. A language is made up of three parts: syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. All these three parts are necessary for a programming language. Let's study them one by one. First, syntax. A syntax is defined as the set of rules that defines the arrangement of tokens in a language. Tokens, as we know, is the smallest part of a programming language during the compilation phase. Syntax of any language is the collection of characters, expressions, and symbols, and combinedly these rules governs the formation of any language. The rules in a language is called production rules, and these rules must always come before going for semantics. If there is any error in syntax, it is called syntactic error, and the execution of program stops without moving forward. For example, these two examples shows a clear distinction between correct and incorrect syntax along with their explanation. Next comes semantics. Now, let's look at the second part of language, namely semantics. Semantics refers to the meaning of a syntactically correct sentence in a programming language. To understand it better, look at this example. When we say, "she is a boy," this does not provide any meaning as the gender does not match with the pronoun. Hence, it is semantically wrong. Similarly, for program, assigning string to an integer data type is semantically wrong, although the syntax written is correct. Now, let's look at few other useful points in semantics. These are very simple points, easy to understand. One key point to remember in this is semantic is checked only for syntactically correct expressions, and it governs the process which a computer follows while executing a program. This diagram shows the flow of input language in a compiler. As mentioned before, syntax is checked first and then the semantics is checked, and the same is depicted here. Last come pragmatics. Pragmatics is the final part of the language. Pragmatics deals with understanding practical aspect of how different properties of a language can be used to further develop new features. This is how you see new updates in any language, as they are formed by taking help of previous properties and making them produce much easier results. To understand it more, let's look at this example. An assignment operator is syntactically written as variable is equal to value. This means that you assign a memory address to the variable and store the result in it. However, pragmatically, we further explored it and came up with more syntax such as plus equals or divide equals. These syntax have eased your effort of writing code, and these are very basic modification of assignment operator. And this is how pragmatics work, by analyzing the feature of any language and then by producing more features.